YouTube shots are really blowing up now, and this channel with literally zero on-screen talent is raking in up to $29,000 monthly just with these simple YouTube shorts. And guess what? It's all run by AI. From titles, descriptions, hashtags to the content, all is done with just a few clicks. Here's another channel doing the same thing. As you can see, these videos get millions upon millions of views, and it's all about content that grabs attention and urges people to share. Stick around and I'll teach you how to produce more than 1,000 such videos in less than 10 minutes. We're relying on two powerful AI tools to get this up and running. The first in line is ChatGPT. The link is right below. Once you're on ChatGPT, you'll need to sign up to gain access. And once you log in, your dashboard should look something like this. Ignore the plus icon. That's for premium users. So what we want to do now is to enter a prompt. Don't worry, I will be sharing the specific prompt that you can use. It's all set up in the description. I'll paste this prompt in, and let me break it down for you. We're basically asking ChatGPT to generate batches of engaging facts. It's a two-part format, optimized for relatability and shareability. Trust me, this is exactly what you want for audience engagement on YouTube. To make sure it understands what I want, I gave it lots of examples so we don't waste time proofreading the response. Also, I asked it to shuffle between a different variety of facts, including relationships, psychology, heartbreak, nature, boy, girl, and lots more, so that we won't just get one type of fact over and over again. Also, to make things easier, I asked it to make the response in Excel format so that we can just copy and paste it into our next tool, so everything can be generated all at once. After pasting the prompt, hit Send Message and wait for the magic to happen. What you get are columns of data, each representing the fact type, opening line and punchline. You can adjust the numbers. For quality, I'd recommend generating somewhere between 30 and 50 facts at a time. If you ask for all the 1,000 facts at once, ChatGPT is more likely to give you garbage. In fact, you won't get more than somewhere around 70-80, or at its extreme best, 100 facts at a time. So just do it little by little. And to scale up 1,000? Simple. Just use the second prompt in the description to create another unique set of 50 facts. No need to watch me do it 20 times for 1,000 videos. You can easily replicate the process. Once you have all your facts generated, copy them and get ready for some magic. The second AI tool to finally get the job done is Canva. Now let's head over to canva.com to weave those generated facts easily into videos. Sign up for a free account if you haven't yet. Link is in the description. Search for YouTube Shorts in the search bar, select the blank template, and let's jazz it up. First, to access all the features that we will be using on Canva, you will need to sign up for their free trial. You can just go ahead and activate the free trial and cancel anytime you want within 30 days. And by that time, you would have generated thousands of short videos that you can upload on YouTube for the next 2 to 3 months. Once that is done, you can then proceed to start generating your videos. First, let's select a background video. Hit Apps, scroll down to Videos, type and search for waterfall or sunset, then pick an ambient background. Drag it in. Next, add text placeholders for the topic, opening line and punchline. These will be replaced by the actual data shortly after it is uploaded. You can do this by just dragging the Add a Heading option onto the video, then adjust it to where you want it to be. To create something similar to the channel I showed you at the beginning of this video, your text must be aligned in the middle. Now, we want to do some little editing like changing the color of the text and adding a background so that it will look more catchy. To do that, click on the coloring option, then select the color you like. In my case, I'm going with white. Now, click on the Effect option, scroll down and click on the Background option, and then pick a color. A black background will complement the white text, so I choose black. You can also change the font and play around with some editing to make it more unique. While that's just for the topic, to create a text for the opening line and the punchline, just duplicate that twice and remove the background, then place them below each other. You can also change the font to make it different from the topic and look more catchy. Next step, you want to add timing to your text. To do this, right-click on the opening line text, then click on Show Timing, and a little timing bar will show up at the bottom. Now, adjust the timing to half of the clip by just dragging it backwards, and the text will only appear for that time, be it 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Then do so for the punchline too. Note, the timing for the punchline should start from where the opening line closes. This will help increase the audience retention time and make the video look perfect overall. And now, for the grand finale. This is where we will be connecting the real facts to the texts. To do this, we're going to use a tool called Bulk Create. Just head over to the bottom left and click Apps. You'll see a lot of options. Just click on Bulk Create. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your table of facts, then import it into Canva by just clicking on Enter Data manually, then paste it in the Name section and click on Done. What we're literally doing here is that we're essentially telling Canva to generate multiple slides, each with a unique set of facts. Now to the final step. We want to connect the facts to the appropriate elements on the video. To do this, right-click on the element you want to connect, then click on Connect Data, and select the fact that you want to connect. You can just do so for the opening line as well as the punchline too. Now click on Continue, then Generate, and watch the magic happen. A little tweaking, and that's it. You're now the proud creator of 50 YouTube Shorts. Here's the result of some of the videos we just created. Love it? Then support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you won't miss out on videos like this. Scale this up, and you're looking at thousands in just a few more couple of clicks. So as you can see, you can literally automate the video creation process with this method. With the template set up in Canva and the data connected, you can create batches of short videos quickly. This is an excellent strategy for populating content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, where you want to post short, bite-sized videos frequently. The next step would be to export these videos and upload them to your desired platform. Canva offers direct integration with platforms like YouTube, or you can download the videos and upload them manually. This method is especially powerful if you're looking to keep your audience engaged with frequent content updates without spending hours on each video. Remember, the key here is to have a strong batch of content that aligns well with your brand's message and aesthetic. For advanced users, you can even add more layers to your template, like logos, additional text layers for a subscribe button, or background music, to make each video unique while still being part of a cohesive content strategy. To wrap up, automating the content creation process can save you a significant amount of time and help you focus on other important aspects of your channel. So that's how you can automate your short-form video content creation process. Now go ahead, implement this strategy and let the content roll in. Before you leave, please show me some love by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so I can show you more videos like this where I uploaded and monetized the YouTube Shorts in less than 60 days.